Hey guys, it's me, Matt again. If you can see this, I'm from my mom's room again. But I just felt like doing it here because my room, like I said in my last video, is still messy. So, um, if you guys want me to talk about something, please comment below on any topic you want, and I will try to make a video about it later. But if you do comment, please comment something real and not uh, embarrassing or funny or what makes you have a good day today. And subscribe if you haven't already. And if you haven't subscribed, you are not awesome. And if you are awesome. So, okay. Bye, my lovelies.